Bitcoin flash crash. We went to $105,000. We dumped to 90,000 in like 5 minutes. Flash crash, $600 million of people liquidated. So what is going to be happening now with Bitcoin? Has the major crash started? It's only a correction. We're going to see higher prices in today's video. I'm going to answer to you all of that. So anyway, guys, I want to show you what happened with Bitcoin yesterday. You can see that pretty much, $600 million liquidated, and you can see even the heat map from here, guys. It was like a crazy event. Bitcoin just went down and just took all the liquidation from here, and now you can see some shorts opening right now. But I'm going to show you what I think can be happening right now, long term as well as short term. So hit the like button, subscribe to the channel because we post one video about crypto trading every single day. This is the chart, guys. This is the chart on the 4 hours. You can see that BTC pretty much went and touched this area over here around 104,000. And of course, guys, in the VIP group, I announced in the crypto chat over here that I would have sold 95% of my Bitcoin at 104, 105. And of course, guys, you went to here, boom, went down to this way. So of course, guys, our VIP group is always ahead of the game when it comes to understanding when to buy and sell. But the question is right now, what's going to be happening with the altcoins? What's going to be happening with crypto? So basically, nothing has changed, guys. You can see that right now we had this flash crash from here. We pretty much, went down to this way, and now we have two potential scenarios, which I'm going to explain to you straight away. Scenario number one is that pretty much we went up like that. So many Bitcoin whales decided to basically take some money, make some money, liquidate all these long people that they probably bought $100,000, completely insane. You can see some people going into leverage 100x, buying at this top over here, guys. Don't go leverage 50x, 60x, 70x if you don't want to hurt yourself. And look what happened. Flash crash, we went down. But right now, pretty much, as you can see, we were here. So we had a breakout from this area. And now we're just pretty much retesting this breakout from here. So I'm going to show you the two potential scenario I can see right now with BTC. Number one is going to be that we are going to see a potential recovery from here, and then to continue to go higher, maybe around 106 to 107, and then have a proper another correction down to here, and then of course go up again. Or the other thing I could actually be seen from here, because remember that we really dumped very, very hard. It's going to be that right now we pretty much broke a structure, as you can see from here. We broke an important structure, and what I could be see from here is going to be BTC to potentially recoil up to this area over here. So to do like what we call the ABC correction. So it's going to be A. So we have A over here, then we have a B over here, and then we have a C over here. In general, it's like a pretty normal correction within a bull market. And what we could be seeing could be like one leg, up to here, grab more people again that are going to long the market, and then one final capitulation event at 80, 88, 87,000, and then finally pump it to $110,000. Something that you had to be very careful right now is the fact, and I'm going to show you right now, is the fact that right now, what I can see is happening long term is the fact that BTC is pretty much following what's happening in 2023. In 2023, you can see that even in December, you can see from the 4th of December, Bitcoin started to correct, started to go from up to down. And right now, it looks like, the same thing could be happening right now. Maybe we could be seeing another, I would say, sideways motion, maybe up to, 106, 107, then drop down to 82, 83, and then the final blow off top up to maybe 130, 140,000 as per the logarithmic scale. So that could be happening, of course, until February, March 2025. And I'm going to show you when I'm potentially going to be out from the market as well. So if I'm going to go from 2021 and connect this point here to this point here to this point here and drop a line with my RSI, I would say that's a very good area probably to get out with crypto is going to be around this area over here. When the RSI is going to reach around the 90 area again, I think it's going to be a good sign to really run away from this market. So maybe I could expect BTC to go maybe down, to let's say 82K, then correct down to here, and then do this. Maybe it's going to be this and then this again. So again, I'm not going to probably sell it at 140,000. By 110, I'm going to be already out from BTC. Maybe put the money into altcoins, which they should perform, very very well. But right now, I would say that if we're going to have a correction, like a deeper correction, maybe down to here, down to this area over here, and then to continue higher, that's going to be perfectly normal. I'm not going to be scared. And I want to show you something as well, very very important. Looking at the uh, volume footprint as well. You can see that right now, if you had I would say, a flash crash, okay, so a flash crash, when you can see over here, you would like to see a, a delta, right? This number over here, like a red delta around here, which is like, minus right now. The next one you want to see right now is going to be a green one. If you can see like a green one with, let's say, plus 300, like for example, in this case over here, then I will feel more confident that we could be able to go and reclaim the highs straight away. But right now, looking at this one over here, guys, at the volume footprint, you can see in this area we had green, 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 and then this massive red. In general, this corresponds to a more, I would say, downside. But again, I think we have to wait and see what's going to be happening. But in general, we have to be cautious a little bit at the moment. But of course, guys, if you want to know, where am I going to buy, if I'm going to buy right now, if I think it's going to go higher, when I'm going to sell, when I'm going to buy, guys, the VIP group is the way to go, guys. We put everything here: Bitcoin analysis, altcoin analysis, altcoins long term. Really, come here because you will not regret it. If you want to learn how to trade, how to invest properly in crypto. Now, let's talk about altcoins. Very important altcoins. I know that you were waiting for that, thinking, oh, alt season is going to come. Well, of course, it's going to come, guys. Altcoin season, crypto total market cap, total free. You can see right now, we pumped up to the previous all-time high, $1.1 trillion, from here. Is this over with our season? I don't think so. Is it going to be a correction? Maybe it could be a correction. We're going to see a little bit of a correction down to here, and then the final leg to the upside until probably end of March, end of April, reaching this target of $1.66 trillion. Some people say we're going to go to 4 trillions, 5 trillions, 7 trillions, 20,000 trillions. I don't care, guys. 1.6 trillions for me is going to be a time to say goodbye to all of you. I'm going to sell all these shit coins, and then I'm gonna go cash and change my game. But right now, very similar to BTC, we can see RSI around this area on the weekly. We want to go at this point over here. Once gonna reach this point over here, guys, I'm gonna be out, and I'm gonna say goodbye to everybody who wants to. Of course, they're gonna be waiting for BTC to go to $200,000, and I really hope it will. So everybody's gonna be super happy. Next one I want to show you, very important as well, is the let's go and have a look at the Bitcoin dominance. BTC point this, so you're gonna see what's happening right now. Bitcoin dominance, of course, is going down, which actually is a very good sign for our season. So basically, what I could be expecting from here is going to be the following. So BTC could be correcting now to maybe 83, 84, and then push up to 110. I don't care what it's going to do. I'm pretty much only 5% into Bitcoin now. I'm into altcoins. So what I can see from here, guys, is that maybe you're going to be seeing a little bit of a rebound here with Bitcoin dominance, which means that BTC can go up to 110 before a major correction. But what I'm actually interested, right, is that once you're going to be able to break this channel over here and go down to this area below 54% and down to roughly 45 to 40%, I think that altcoins are going to go banana. And some of them, which I'm waiting for, is going to be, of course, Ethereum, Solana, and then all the money transferred into the smaller altcoins. So that's what I'm expecting right now. But so far, guys, it makes me feel very, very bullish is this. In general, and listen to this is very, very important. So if you have a proper, I would say, bearish event where can push the crypto market down, what are you going to be seeing? You're going to be seeing Bitcoin crashing, the Bitcoin dominance rising, and also altcoins to go down like crazy. This is because with an important economic event in general, let's say, for example, the US is going to announce a recession, then what is going to be happening is that all the investors, institutions, are going to put the money from altcoins into Bitcoin again. And then you should be seeing Bitcoin crashing with the Bitcoin dominance rising again. For example, here in 2020, what it was 2021, I need to go in here, June, July, August, September, November. Where was it here? Oh, over here. Okay. You can see from here that we had, we went down to this area here then the bear market started, right? And then Bitcoin dominance just went up like crazy from here. So that's what I could see. I could see happening. That's you want to see like a spike in the dominance if it was like a real problem with crypto within the economy. But right now, only Bitcoin is going down. Altcoins are going higher. So I don't think probably this could have been just like a, take profits from institutions. They're probably going to try to leverage to liquidate some longs, some late longs, and then they're probably going to try one more peak to the upside. But what I would like you to warn you, right, to be very, very careful, guys. I know that everybody wants Bitcoin to go to 200K, 300K, 3 million Ks, whatever. Be aware that the time to buy, okay, and that's going to be something I will tell you. I tell all of my members all the time, guys, the time to buy was here. Like, I'm sorry about, to ruin your dreams of potential 10x, 20x, but the time to buy Bitcoin altcoins, it was around here, guys, at 27, 28, 30, not $100,000. So if you want to make real money, guys, next bear market, if even if it goes to here and then goes down to this area, just go back and buy when there is like a bottom. Don't come back when it's like a 75,000, 80,000, and then expecting it's going to go to 100,000. Again, this is not financial advice. I don't want to, teach you what you have to do with your money and institution, but I mean, I think, it makes absolutely sense. And even the altcoins, right? The altcoins, they do great. They could be pumping much more than what they are right now. But again, the time to buy altcoins, guys. For example, Celo. Celo. Lots of people are going and buy now. $1.15. Whatever, right? But look what happened over here. We can go on the 4-hour chart. You can see, just cancel over here. You can see with Celo, guys, the time to buy was around here. Look at that. It went down to like 54 cents, even less. Look at that. 37 cents. Even like, if it went down to, let's say, 64.50, that was the time to buy, because then you will have double of the money. But right now, I mean, yeah, you could do a 3x, 5x from here, but you could also do a minus 60%. So people who bought like, very, very, very cheap, then they're going to be happier. Like, for example, Dogecoin as well, man. We were buying a 16 cents, 10 cents Dogecoin. Look at now, 43, and people are going now at 43 cents. Be very careful, guys, with these markets. Like, if you want to be a professional like myself or other professional traders, really take this into account, and let me know in the comments, what do you think about this. But anyway, guys, yeah, BTC, that's what I can see right now. I'm not scared at all. We could be more downside if I don't see like any change in delta over here. That's not gonna be very good. But otherwise, I'm not really concerned. Again, I'm already pretty much out for my bitcoins. If you're gonna see like a big dip also with the altcoins, I'm gonna buy the dip. And if, of course, if you want to know when to buy, guys, the VIP group is the way to go. But otherwise, I wish you a great day, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.